Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you a super easy cut crease. And so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. The palette I'm using today is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar. And I'm going to be using the color Milk Chocolate first with a Morphe blending brush. So I love this color, especially as a transition shade. You always want to start with a color that's a little lighter, especially like a nude brown like this works perfectly. So I just applied that right above my crease, and then I also brought it just a little bit further out on the outside of my eye also. So then I'm taking the color Semi Sweet, which is like a brown with a little bit of red undertones. So I just applied that right above my crease as well, but just below that transition color. So I'm going to be blending those two together, and then the same process of making sure that I bring it out the side of my eye as well. This is what kind of gives the effect of a cut crease, so that's why I bring it out on the side. And then I took the color Hot Chocolate. This is a really nice darker brown with a little bit more shimmer in it. So I just applied a little bit of that right between those two colors. And then for the cut crease, you just use your concealer. I've seen videos where girls look up just like this and it makes the line exactly where you need it to be. So with a flat concealer brush, this one is pretty small, which works especially for eyelids. I started to pat in the concealer on my eyelid first. And like I said, having that line there makes it super easy to know where you need to make it. And then I'm going to start doing it along the outside of my eye as well. So just make sure that you don't go straight across. You want to bring the wing up a little bit more. So that's what I did. And then I also started to blend it down just so that the concealer didn't have a sharp line. It all blended together. And then for my eyelid, I'm taking the color Creme Brulee. I'm using another flat brush and I'm just applying this all over my eyelid. You don't even necessarily need to put any eyeshadow on your eyelids. I've seen some people just leave it with the concealer and that looks great. And then I just blended the colors on my crease as well. So for my lash line, I'm taking the color Semi Sweet and I'm just using the same blending brush and I'm just applying that to the bottom. And then for eyeliner today, I'm using the MAC Black Eyeliner Gel. So I don't typically use eyeliner gels. I normally use the felt pens, but I wanted to try this one today, and I'm using an eyeliner brush by e.l.f. So the first thing you want to do is make your line for your wing. So I just wanted to show you guys how slow I do this, just because eyeliner can be very tricky sometimes. And then I started making the line to actually create the wing, and then I started to fill it in with the black eyeliner. So I really love this kind of brush for these types of eyeliners especially, just because you have a lot of control and precision is where you want to put the color. As you can tell, it does go on pretty light, but with this eyeliner, it's really easy to build up the color. So also trying to get into the corner of your eye, this brush works really well for that. So after I'm done applying my eyeliner though, I just took my L'Oreal mascara. This is a really good mascara and it is really inexpensive also. So I have been using this one for a little while. I was going between this one and a Lorac mascara, but I always seem to go back to this one. So I just applied a little bit of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And then before we put on false lashes, I wanted to put on a little bit of highlight. So I'm taking my Tarte highlighter palette. This is in Stunner, which I can't believe how bright that is. Like, I feel like that's definitely a highlighter palette when it comes up super bright in the camera. But I just apply that right underneath the arch of my eyebrow and then the inner corner of my eye. And then I just went ahead and I applied my fake eyelashes. So these ones are pretty intense compared to ones that I normally wear, but I really like these ones. So I applied it on the outside first, and then I took some tweezers for the inner portion. And then once I'm done with that, that completes the look. At the very beginning, I was wearing lipstick, but a little bit later on, I started eating and then finished recording, so that's why I took it off. But that completes this super easy cut crease. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do upload every Monday, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week.